So just a quick video. Here I have a Utah Goldback. As you can see, it's the 1/1000th of a troy ounce of 24K gold plated. And when searching the internet, I wanted to see what would happen when, for one, when this bill is creased, and two, when it's crumpled, and three, what happens if it comes in contact with an open flame. So to start the test, as you can see, they kind of come a little wavy like that, but let's just try creasing it right in half. So if I take that and fold it in half, so here, I'll go ahead and crease that. I'll run my fingernail along it. As you can see there, it doesn't really uncrease like a dollar bill. Bend it the other way, and it seems to be, I wouldn't say ruined, but it definitely does not unfold very well. And here, I'll go ahead and crumple it now. Just like how dollars have years of wear and tear, that's kind of what I'm simulating here. Trying to speed up the process. Go ahead and unfold that. That looks awful. I hate to do this. We all know what happens when a dollar bill comes in contact with heat, so let's try that out. As you can see, it starts on fire. It smells like burnt plastic, kind of like when you throw styrofoam or a plastic bottle into a campfire. And taking a closer look, there you can see the seared edge. Thanks for watching. Sorry you had to see this, but at least you don't have to do this to your own Goldbacks out of curiosity. And subscribe for more content.